exact is useful when you want to force case sensitivity in string comparisons. Indeed, if your analysis services machine is set up as by default with case insensitive collation, then DAX is case insensitive whenever you compare two different strings. But you can force a case sensitivity using exact instead of the equal operator. Let's see that with a simple example. I have defined two variables here, a and b. A contains SQLBI lowercase and b contains SQLBI uppercase. If you check a equals b, that returns true because the comparison on this machine is case insensitive, as it is the case with the Power BI service. But if you use exact a and b, then the result is false because case matters for exact, whereas it does not for the equal operator.